Oh, one more.
We got one more Christmas present.
What's that?
I don't know, Mom. You're gonna have to take a look at it.
Oh, me. Oh, maybe it's me. No.
It says me, that's you. What a pretty card. Donnie, Doug. Who the heck are all these people?
Keep reading.
Donnie, Don?
Yep.
Donnie, Doug, Suzette, Bart, Bill, Linda, Lenny, David. Oh my God.
Keep going.
David, Jackie, Jennifer, Jason, and Angel. Oh, everybody.
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 Yeah.
We love you. What? Oh my. Oh my God.
Yeah. You didn't even open your present yet.
Oh my God.
Send our card.
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do. Just send the card.
Oh my God! You have everybody's name on there. What's that?
I don't know. Just keep going.
Oh my God! Oh, I can't believe it. I
She's happy she got the card with everybody's name on
I
it.
just like the card. I just like the card. Oh my God! Oh my God!
We all chipped in. We all planned it. It was your sister that planned it. We all pitched in. They got you the gold one. Yes. Don't cry. Come on. Don't cry.
Oh, yeah.
Don't cry. Come on. All right. This hug is for everybody. Everything. You know.
Oh,
Say thank you. Say thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
everybody. Thank you so much.
Here, give her a hug. Give her a hug.
God. Oh my God! It's an iPad.
Oh, give your mom a
isn't
hug.
it? It's an iPad, isn't it?
It's
It's
a-
an iPad. It's an iPad.
Merry Christmas, Mom.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
man.
Yeah. All right. So
Thank
now.
you, everyone.
Yeah. All right, now face it at me. Hold it, face it at me. Now I'm the one who has to show her how to use it. Thank you.